Peace and serenity to you all, everyone. I hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cecilia, and today the video, as you can see, is a bit different. We are not doing the usual way that we are used to, so I'm trying this new method to see if it works. So you may not see my face, but you may see my fingers. And I know and hope that you will recognize my voice. Okay, so today I wanted to share this video with the family. So whoever that is listening or watching this, if you feel stuck, if you feel that your life is not moving, your manifestation is not here, like nothing is working for you. You have been doing all that is in your power, but you are not seeing the result. Here is the message from God, from Source of Life, Universe, your ancestors, my ancestors, our ancestors, and spirit guides. So we have the major arcana, we have the High Priestess. And the High Priestess, she had the moon under her feet, meaning she knows herself really well. She knows her deepest desires. She makes research about what she's doing. She's very sensual. Don't be deceived by the way. Look at her boob. She's really and it can be he. It's energy. I'm referring to she, but it can be he or it can be anything. It's energy. The energy that I'm referring to. She's very thirsty for wisdom. So she goes to mentors, teachers, those who have the answers, who have the knowledge that she's, the wisdom she's looking for. She does not wait. She does not fear. She goes for it. So that's the High Priestess. And the second card that came is the Three of Wands. And here it's in reverse. So it means homesick, going back home. So maybe you have been living abroad for some time, or you have been living outside of your home, and it's indicating returning back home, returning back to your native place, your native land, your motherland. And also it can mean holding on to the past, being disappointed in some choices, some decisions that we have made. So the High Priestess, we have the High Priestess. She knows her desires. She goes for it. She's very thirsty for knowledge, for wisdom, and she is a student. Let me say that she is a student. She recognizes, she sees the opportunities around, and she takes it. She's a risk taker, but with her mind and brain at work. She does not do things roughly or carelessly. Sorry. So in this context, as we are talking about being stuck, being not seeing results, being discouraged. So this card, the Three of Wands, maybe you need to go back to your source. You need to find your inner happiness, your desire. if the job that you are in, maybe the income is good, but you are not being fulfilled. Yeah, the job, the money aspect is good, the financial aspect, but you are not happy inside. So maybe you need to consider for having some hobbies or having extra activities that bring you that inner joy, that inner peace, the serenity that you need. And the last one, tarot, was Ace of Cups, the overflow of abundance. I'm sorry, the camera is a bit shaky. The High Priestess, the Three of Wands, and now the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups, new beginnings, new opportunities, new relationships, new romantic relationships, new friends, new adventures. All that is new, with opportunities, with abundance, all that prosper is here. So we need to take the action of the High Priestess, knowing our deepest thought, our deepest desire. What are we dreaming of? What are we manifesting for? Not what society wants you to have, not what you think you need, but we need to really look deep down. And for some people, it can be like having material things, and that is also okay. For some, it could be a spiritual need, and that is also okay. So for you need to be a student, you need to be ready to learn, find a master, find a guidance, listen very well to your instinct, your intuition. When you are the High Priestess, you are very, very, very intuitive person. So when you are your inner feelings, your gut feelings is not, when opportunity is here and your gut feeling is not having it, it means it's not good for you. But if it's calling for you, go for it, my dear. Don't wait for anyone. Don't think twice. Jump into it with your heart, like the High Priestess. Your mind, when it's in the relationship, let the heart follows, but let the man also work. So here, the two oracle cards that we have is don't dim to fit in. How are you dimming your light in order to fit in? Share your voice, come out of the cave. Persecution, expression, share your voice. So whenever you are stuck in life, you are not seeing the results of your manifestation, you are feeling very down, this is a timeless message. So whenever you read it, whenever you see this, it's valid. We need to embark on the energy of the High Priestess. And go back to our source, our way of living. If it's in spiritual, what are your spiritual beliefs deep down within you? You need to connect with yourself to know more about you. Like the high priestess, she has the moon under her feet, and the moon represents in the tarot your inner, your deep desires, what is hiding within you, yourself that no one is aware of. And we have the Ace of Cups, the new beginnings, new adventure, new opportunities, new romantic relationships, new friendships. So recognize all new people. And also I wanted to share, it's good to have new people or even old people around you, but please, my dear family, don't share much about you to others. You need to know them, you need to trust them, and listen to your instincts, listen to your inner guts, your deep feelings. If you trust them, if you know that you can communicate your personal feelings to them, your worries, your happiness, your joy to them, go for it, do it. But listen to your soul. Listen to the guidance, the universe, and the signs the universe is sending you. And please, whatever you are dimming your light to fit in is breaking you down. It's not making you happy. You need to let the world know who you are, what you came to, what is your purpose in this life. That little thing that you are good at, you need to share, you need to let the world know what you really think. In honest but moderate, my fellow Sagittarians. My fellow Sagittarians, please, honest but not brutal. Be diplomatic about it. Share your voice. Let the people around you know what you really like, what your spirituality is, what your beliefs are, and all that you want to share, or that you have been hiding deep within you. For those who are in the LGBTQ+, if I'm not wrong, maybe it's time to come out. It's time to let the world know who you are. It's time to live in your truth. Much love to you. Bye-bye.